Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm from Recommend, and today what I'm doing here in Sky Condominium Pandaputri is doing a home inspection. So doing as a home inspection means that I will help the owner to check the unit or the defect. It means that when they hand over receive from the developer. So what you can see I'm doing inside the unit will be checking the very common defect. For example, the hollow tiles, and then the crack, the wall crack, the hairline crack, the natural progress crack, and then some defect means that the dented area. Some area are not painted or some other got stain, and then also I will check all the water leaking and all the windows. So all these things will be combined in one report, then to submit to the developer by the hand of the owner. So, but normally this kind of job was done by the owner, but now because they need some professional service that which we can provide in a very economic way to help them to do it. So hopefully this will help the owner to solve their concern about the quality of the property they receive.